In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Gmail securely with a QR code. By the end, you'll have two-step verification set up using an authenticator app, so your Gmail stays protected even if someone learns your password. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Gmail the way you normally do. Make sure you're on the official Google site and avoid logging in over untrusted networks. Once your inbox appears, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. In the panel that opens, choose the option to manage your Google account. This takes you to your account settings where we'll turn on stronger protection. In your Google account, find the Security or Security and Sign In section. Scroll down until you see options related to two-step verification or an authenticator. Click the Authenticator option. Google may pause here to confirm it's really you. Complete the verification it asks for, most commonly re-entering your password or approving a prompt on a trusted device, then continue. After you've verified, look for the button to proceed and click Next. On the Authenticator page, select Set up Authenticator. This prepares your account to connect with an app that generates one-time codes. If you already use an Authenticator app on your phone, you're all set. If not, you can use any standard TOTP app. On the setup screen, choose the option to scan a QR code. Grant camera permission on your phone if you're prompted, then point your phone's camera at the QR code shown on your computer screen. The app will instantly add your Google account and begin generating time-based codes. If scanning isn't possible, don't worry, there's usually an option on the same screen to enter a setup key manually. Tap the manual entry option in your Authenticator app, carefully type the account name and the setup key shown on your computer, and save. The result is exactly the same as scanning. You'll see rotating 6-digit codes for your account. Back on your computer, follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Typically, Google asks you to enter a current code from your Authenticator app to confirm everything is linked correctly. Type the code before it expires, submit, and you'll see a success message. From now on, whenever you sign into Gmail, you'll enter your password and then a fresh code from your Authenticator app. Keep your phone handy, don't share these codes with anyone, and consider staying signed in only on devices you trust. That's it. You've set up Gmail to use a QR code for a safer, more secure login.